Here we are going to go over how to achieve common line cutting on the ACPC and TPC EMI machines, and this is going to be done in Lantek. Here we have a piece of 3x3 by 3/8 angle iron and a piece of C10 channel. In this case, this 3x3 by 3/8 angle is going to be common line cut, and this piece of channel is to show you a part that is not common line cut. There are two ways to achieve this. It can either be done on the part level manually or in the configuration where it will be done automatically for you. First, we'll do it manually. Start by selecting your part and navigating into the design window. Locate the machining tab at the top, then click Automatic Machining. Next, find the Extreme Cut tab and deselect these two end cuts. Then click OK. Here you can see it did not add any tool paths on the end of the part. This tells Lantek that you would like this part common line cut, and it will add those tool paths on the nest level. In automatic nesting, the parts appear to be common line cut, with no gap between them. Zooming in reveals a slight gap, which is simply the kerf width. Examining the piece of channel reveals a larger gap. An alternative method for achieving common line cutting involves accessing the configuration settings under the System tab. From there, navigate to Material Thickness Dependent Data and then to the appropriate thickness range. In this case, the part is 3/8 inch thick and falls within the specified range. Navigate to Contour Calculations at the top of the menu and scroll to the bottom. The Cut option will be set to Yes by default. Change this to No for both end cuts. Click OK, then confirm by clicking OK again. When the parts are nested again, they will remain common line cut, with no gap in between. This setting will apply to all parts moving forward. To re-enable end cuts for a specific part, return to Configuration, System, Material Thickness Dependent Data, access Contour Calculations, and change the setting back to Yes. Note that common line cutting should not be used on mitered ends, copes, or other special ends. It is intended only for flat 90-degree ends.